In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Zoom, 5 minutes. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter the email address you use for Calendly, click Continue, then enter your password and continue again. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly home dashboard. Next, we'll connect Zoom. Look for integrations and apps usually found in the main navigation or settings area. Click it, then find and select the Zoom integration. On the Zoom page, you'll see two options: Connect Zoom for your organization or Connect Zoom for yourself. The organization option is intended for admins who want to manage the integration for a team or the entire workspace and may require admin approval in Zoom. For this walkthrough, choose Connect Zoom for myself. You'll be redirected to Zoom's sign-in screen. Log into your Zoom account and approve the permissions so Calendly can create meetings on your behalf. If you use single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, complete that as you normally would. When authorization finishes, you'll be brought back to Calendly with Zoom connected. With the integration in place, let's set a specific event to use Zoom. Go to Event Types from the top navigation. Pick the event you want to update. This could be a one-on-one, a group session, or any custom event type you've already created. Inside the event editor, find the location section, click it, then select Zoom from the list of location options. Finally, click Save Changes. From this point on, whenever someone books that event, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link. That link appears on the confirmation page, in email notifications, and in the calendar invite for both you and your invitee. If a meeting is rescheduled or canceled through Calendly, the Zoom meeting details will update accordingly, keeping everything in sync. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Repeat the location change for any other event types that should use Zoom, since location is set per event. If you collaborate with a team, consider whether the organization level Zoom connection is a better fit so all team events can use the same integration with consistent settings. And if you ever need to review or disconnect the integration, return to Integrations and Apps to manage your Zoom connection. That's it. Your Calendly events now create Zoom meetings automatically, saving you time and reducing manual setup.